Changes. Many changes are seen in the learning and development space over the years. This was accelerated during the pandemic. Learning has become a tool for survival. How have these changes impacted the learners? And more so, the courseware developers and facilitators. We do see upskilling of workforces with rapid role changes. And as a trainer, how have you adapted? Or are you still using molds and tools that perhaps need to be refreshed to meet the demands of today and tomorrow? How would you like to have new and updated training techniques to propel you forward with the ability to contrast traditional training with modern learning? Come join this specially designed workshop of interactive play and hands-on sessions with the use of technology. The examples gleaned can be adapted and adopted for your own practice. Now, the added bonus is the presentation of your project. From observations, help will be given to strengthen good practices and synthesize your forward plans. We invite you to join us as we help you advance with knowledge and skills to engage the learners and scale up your business, thereby elevating you above competitors. Click on the link for your workshop seat, for seats are limited. Together, we take proactive steps to enhance your professional development and effectiveness. We'll see you soon at Workshop, won't we? What are you waiting for? Confirm your seat today. Sharpen your skill set and be ready for the learning and development landscape of today and tomorrow.